So namhlanje grade 12 sizawujonga i-national accounts aggregates ezi-circular flow. Zona they are used to determine the value of the economic activities or to determine the GDP, which is phaya force area phaya funeka ukwazi ukudescribe the various concepts. For example, phaya you must be able to describe the concept GDP, the concept GNP, GNI, and GNE. Masiwachaze amagama lawo. GDP stands for gross domestic product, that is GDP. Oyintoni phaya, which is the total value of the final goods and services produced within the borders of a country in a specific period of time. That's how you describe GDP. GDP, it's a gross domestic product, the total value of the final goods and services produced within the borders of a country in a specific period of time. And then the second concept, which GNP, which is the gross national product. Yeah, it is the total value of the goods and services produced by the permanent residents of a country for a specific period of time, no matter where they are in the world, which is now wherever they are. We say la production yabo, whether they are outside of the country, but we say GNP because they are the permanent residents of a country. And then the third one is GNI and GNE. GNI is a gross national income, which is the income that has been earned by the owners of the factors of production, which is total income earned by the owners of the factors of production. And then the last one is gross national expenditure. It's a total expenditure, total spending eyenziwe participants in the circular flow. It's either yenziwe consumers, it's either business, it's a government. But sidibanisa zonke i-expenditure, all the spendings eyenziwe business, consumers, and government. That is a gross national expenditure. Then now, moving back to our methods, which is step high, we're using these three methods to determine the GDP. It's either using production method, income method, and expenditure method. Let us describe these methods. The first method is a production method, which is whereby we're adding the value of each stage of production process. Remember, our production process takes place in the three sectors. It's a primary sector, secondary sector, and the tertiary sector. That's whereby our production of goods and services take place. So we have to add the value of the primary sector, secondary, and tertiary sector. Kulapho yenzeka khona i-production of goods and services, which is part gives us GDP at basic prices. Because remember, we have these three national accounts conversions. It's a basic prices, factor cost, a market price. So for a production method, it gives us a GDP at a basic price. And then our second method is called income method. Income method is whereby we're adding the total remuneration, total income earned by the owners of the factors of production. It's either they receive the income in a form of a wage, a salary, a rent, interest, or profit. So we add all those remuneration that have been received by the owners of the factors of production. It gives us GDP at a factor cost. That is the income method. Gives us GDP at a factor cost. And then the last one is called expenditure method. That's whereby we're adding the total value of the spending. Total value of expenditure is either that spending has been done by the consumers, by the government, by business. So sidibanisa yonke la mali yaspendwa, ispendwa zii-consumers, ispendwa ngu-government, ispendwa zii-business. That's whereby sizawufumana khona i-GDP, but siyifumana at a market price. using expenditure method. So expenditure method is whereby we're adding the total value of expenditure, or rather we can say prior of spending on final goods and services. It gives us a GDP at market price. That's all for now. Thank you very much.